Hi, welcome to my channel African Culture. Today I want to share with you Somali dance called it Nico. This dance is common dance black African countries. They call different names, but they dance almost the same. I will speak English and Somali language, but my English language is not so good as my Somali language, but you will understand me. Please follow me, like and share and write to me comments. soo dhawaada walaalayaal, maanta waxaan idiin wadaa ciyaartii laga daba dhacay la dhaho Nico. ciyaartan waxaa la ciyaaray 2020ka wadanii stuudiya laga soo daayay, reer Boondheeraa sameeyey, dadkii laga daba dhacay. Marka aniga reaction aan ka sameynayaa, aniga muusiga u sameeyey. Marka haddana waa kana ciyaartii muusigan u daarayaa. They are really professional dancers by this dance. All African, they they share culture and dance songs. Even black African, living in the United States, they dance and they take, they get of black African people. Look at this guy, he dancing like Michael Jackson. We come here and see Michael Jackson or something. Look at him. Exactly dancing like, not exactly, but he can dancing like Michael Jackson, I mean. I'm making a reaction to this video, Red Ponder ciyaarta waxa waa ninkada aad ugu maaragtay ugu khatar ugu yihiin. Waa idin salaami Red Ponder. Soo dhawaada Red Ponder. The girls, they are wearing, Somali flag. Some of them. That blue, the blue dress is Somali flag. All they are wearing, Somali traditional clothes. Please don't forget like and share and follow me. Then I will make for you more, videos.